Hey, Sean Kelly, Unblinded. Here we are, about to cross the border, Rob, and it is absolutely surreal as refugee camps and people are set up around here. The Red Cross is positioned, and what's on your heart, man?
I just want to be able to help, seriously, one person every single day for the next 6 days. And when I say help, I don't mean feed. I mean really be able to impact their life. Come on over, Kris. Come on in, brother.
What's up, brother?
Mr. Callaghan, how we doing?
How you doing?
I want to thank you, brother.
How you feeling, Kris?
Feeling ready. So there's a lot of police, though, and you can feel some tension in the air for sure.
Yeah. We're about to do it. I mean, this is like, it's one thing to think about something that's far away. It's another thing to be standing in it. And we're being part of it, and we're about to be in a lot more of it.
Well, if you think about it, we just smuggled in 2,500 pounds of gear, hidden by 2 tons of food, and to our knowledge, everything is safely made it to the other side. Now we just got to get ourselves in, and we're not going to be able to drive, and we got to go on foot, and we got to get it. We got to hit some back roads that are not monitored, and that's how we're going to get in country.
And to honor you, brother, you really inviting us and having us come on, this has been so incredible. I can't thank you enough for this opportunity to really be able to have an impact in a way that I never thought possible. I want to just thank you for that.
Thank you, brother. And for everybody, we're saying this, be the they. Like, they're not doing it wrong. They aren't going to fix it. Be the they.